I enjoyed my recent trip to the enchanting city of Akko. From the moment I set foot on this historical coastal gem, I was captivated by its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning architecture. One of the highlights of my visit was exploring the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Akko Old City. The labyrinth of alleyways, ancient walls, and well-preserved Crusader buildings took me in a journey back in times. I marveled at the impressive Ottoman structures such as a majestic caravanserai that once served as a trading hub, the bustling markets with spices, colorful textiles and local handicrafts made the sense of delight. The view of the Mediterranean Sea was simply breathtaking, and I found myself spending hours gazing at the horizon, feeling the sense of tranquility wash over me. Akko's historical sites left me in awe. Exploring the Crusaders' fortress, I climbed the ancient empires, imagining the battles that once took place here. The underground tunnels, known as the Knight's Halls, were fascinating chambers showcasing the architectural genius of the time. The echoes, the past, reverberated from the halls, leaving me with a profound appreciation and of its storied past. Warmth and hospitality of locals added an extra layer of charms in my experience in Akko. I was engaging in conversations with friendly locals. I felt welcomed and embraced by the community. The castle in Acre, also known as the Citadel of Acre or the Knight's Hall, is a historic fortress located in the city of Acre, also spelled Akko or Akka, which is situated in present-day Israel. Acre is a coastal city with a rich history that dates back thousands of years, and the castle is one of its most prominent landmarks. The castle in Acre has a fascinating history that reflects the complex and diverse influences the city has experienced over the centuries. It was originally built by the Crusaders in the 12th century during the Crusader period and served as the headquarters of the Knights Hospitalier, a medieval Catholic military order. The castle played a significant role in the Crusaders' efforts to establish and maintain a presence in the region. The castle's architecture showcases a blend of Crusader, Islamic, and Gothic influences. Its strategic location on the eastern Mediterranean coast made it a crucial stronghold for the Crusaders during their conflicts with Muslim forces. The castle's thick walls, towers, and moat were designed to provide strong defense against attacks. After the Crusaders were eventually expelled from the region, the castle fell under the control of various rulers, including the Mamelukes, Ottomans, and British. Each successive power made modifications to the castle, expanding and adapting it to suit their needs. One of the castle's most notable features is the Knight's Halls, a complex of interconnected halls and chambers that served as the living quarters and administrative center for the Knights Hospitalier. These halls are renowned for their impressive architectural details, including stone carving, ribbed walls, and creative decorations. In recognition of its historical and cultural significance, the castle in Acre was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2001. It attracts numerous visitors who come to explore its well-preserved structures, learn about its history through interactive exhibits, and enjoy panoramic views of the city in the Mediterranean Sea from its towers. The castle in Acre stands as a testament to the region's turbulent past, showcasing the architectural legacy of the Crusaders and the cultural exchanges that have shaped the city over the centuries. It continues to be a cherished historical site and a symbol of Acre's rich heritage.